I needed to leave. To distance myself from everything. I felt good. To stay is to exist. To travel is to live. And I want to live. I gazed at the wide extent of the earth, and I reflected on narrow-mindedness. Leaving one world is to encounter others, with other visions of life, and enrich oneself. The earth is vast, but not more vast than feelings. And if I need this immense spectacle, these landscapes and these expanses, over the years I have learned to look up at the sky, to contemplate the moon. I needed to leave, to distance myself from everything and travel. I felt good. To stay is to exist. To travel is to live. In me, I want to live.